From now until May, this flooded section of the Amazon basin becomes a 350,000 square kilometre paddling pool. On average, the river rises by 10 metres.
November 2008. Progress is slow, I would say, today. There are very few areas where we're actually walking on dry land. It's pretty much all swampland. The main reason everyone thought the expedition was impossible is that the Amazon basin is incredibly flat, which means that as soon as the water level rises in the main channel of the river, it then spills out into the forest, and it can spill out about 70 kilometres.
Caminar por las inundaciones, uno siente un poco de miedo. Nos hablan de las anguilas, hay peces eléctricas y como también.
This has got enough electricity in it to knock a man unconscious and therefore kill him by drowning. At one point, I thought, crikey, if it continues like this, then this is going to take the next 8 years of my life. This is